Alright guys, so got rid of the KTM for this. It's a 2001 Raptor 660R, and not bad. I mean, as you can see, there's snow. That's kind of why I got it, but tires are in decent shape. Front ones are a lot better. It's pretty clean. It's got mud and stuff on it still, but you can see kind of retarded brake lights, but whatever. And yeah, I'm just gonna give it a start up. The key sometimes gets stuck when it's cold. Smells pretty good. But that's really about it. You can see all the lights work. If I were to put it to reverse, you can see. Reverse light works. Put it back to neutral. Clutch is real smooth. Probably do it in like pinky. Yeah, that's about it.